perfect pot roast begins with everything you see here. Begin by adding your vegetables. And you can certainly change this up by adding mushrooms, parsnips, or leeks if you prefer. Then add your liquids. And again, any flavor stock or broth will do. You can even use an apple cider or a beer in place of the red wine. Add your favorite herbs and your chuck roast. Salt and pepper to taste. Then load into your CSO on the wire rack level 2, set to Convection Steam Mode, 265 degrees for 2 hours. This pot roast is not only a fantastic comfort food, but it will feed at least 6 people in just 2 hours. The steam mode keeps the meat oh so tender, while the convection keeps the outside crisp just right. Enjoy! I hope you enjoyed today's culinary adventure. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. As always, thank you for watching. I'm Eva, the Steam Oven Diva.